Healthy living is just the right way to do everything. So yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girlfriend Stella in Tokyo. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to know what I do on my channel, I share things that I do in Japan, like vlogs, travel videos, unboxing videos, basically everything about my life here in Japan. So if you want to see content like that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and become a part of the family, because it does add value to my channel. It does help me to continue to do videos like this for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. Today I'm just gonna unbox some stuff that I bought from TEAMI. This is like my second box of goodies from them and I can't wait to open them. I did buy this a while ago, but it came really quickly and like I am like dying to open it. I know I got some really nice goodies again, and I think I bought additional goodies, so I'm just gonna jump right into the box and show you guys what I got. Healthy living is just the right way to do everything. So yeah, TEAMI Blends is one of those companies that you can look into if you guys are trying to become healthy and trying to drink stuff that is all natural. So yeah, they do have their nice little tape here with their name on it. That's like amazing. I just love getting packages from them because it's just so cute. They're also on Instagram. You can follow them on Instagram as well. And if you want to see my first video, I'll just leave a tab. If you haven't watched that video yet, you should check it out. I'm just gonna leave a tab right up here so that you can just click on that and it will direct you straight to the first video that I did about TEAMI. I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's get in here. We did get 4 items. Like I said, they shipped it really fast, so like that was like a plus. Nicely bubble wrapped. Everything is just secured in here. Alright, so yeah, if you're gonna like try something that is good for your gut, probiotics is one of the things that you should actually go for. This one is got probiotic, prebiotic powder, and yeah, it's unique, triple berry flavored with 20 billion probiotics, 7 strands. Yes, you can check out the website so that you can see more information about that. I will leave the link down in the description below. This one you can drink it with water or in a smoothie. 1 scoop is recommended for your water. You can actually consume these probiotics daily, any time of day, but they recommend that you take it before you eat something. So yeah, this is the Gut Love. So I got the Gut Love, and yeah, I'm excited to try it because I didn't try this one before. So yeah, I'm excited to try this and I will review it later for you guys. So yeah, this is number 1. I just love the name. I love the brand. I love what they do. I love that it's all natural because yeah, we're trying to be healthy. So yeah, this is great. I started out with the vanilla flavor. That's the one that I had previously. Loved it, loved it, loved it, loved it. Like I had no issues with that. No issues with the taste, no aftertaste. It was just right. It was really clean, so I was able to just go through one entire jar really quickly, and then I decided to get a new one. This time I got the berry flavor. So yeah, no artificial flavors, no artificial coloring, no artificial sweetness. Everything in here is natural. So this is the Wellness Protein Powder, my new one, and yeah, I'm excited to try the berry flavor because I had the vanilla flavor before. So yeah, I can't wait to try this and see what it tastes like. Beauty Butterfly Collagen Powder. I was really excited to try this because I know it has butterfly pea flower extract in here. It has a lot of benefits for your body, for your skin, collagen. As you guys see this, you guys know exactly what this one is about. So yeah, I really love this for your hair, for your skin, for your nails. Honey, you need to get this one. So yeah, I got this because I was really excited to try it. I love the fact that the color is just gonna be amazing when I put it in my smoothie. or my water. Definitely gonna put it in my smoothie because I do smoothies like every single day. All right, let me just tell you guys what's in this one. For those of you who do not know what the Beauty Butterfly Collagen is from TEAMI Blends, I'm just gonna read it for you guys so that you can know exactly what it is. So this is an inner beauty elixir to support your hair, skin, and nails, formulated with sustainable wild-caught marine collagen and blended together with beauty-boosting superfoods, butterfly pea flower, acai berry, yeah, to achieve that perfect balance. So it is like superb. I'm ready to try this one. Ready. I'm ready to try this one. It says 1 scoop to your smoothie and enjoy the collagen boost. Amazing, superb. So yeah, it's gonna be my first time to try this one, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give myself a little time to try it, and then I'm gonna review it later down in the year so that you guys can get a true review of what this one actually does for you, and like hope that we can get benefits from it like they said we will. This is a repeat purchase. It is the green superfood blend. I've had this before. It has spirulina in it, it has wheatgrass, and it has matcha in it. I got this blend because I think it's a perfect blend. I have wheatgrass separately at home here, and I have spirulina separately, and I do have matcha separately. And when I mix them together by myself, it does not taste like this. So I decided to just get me this one because yes, a girl needs it. So yeah, I got 4 things from TEAMI Blends. Let me just show them to you one more time. I'm really happy with these 4 products that I bought, and like I said, this is just a really quick unboxing. I will definitely try these products and review them later so that you guys can see how they work for me, and hopefully you'd want to try them as well. I'm sure I have like a referral code, so I'm gonna search my TEAMI account, and when I find my referral code, I'm just gonna leave it down below so that you guys can enjoy some of the rewards and the benefits each time you purchase something from TEAMI. They give you points, and these points can be used towards a new product that you want to try. This wellness protein I got with my points. I had like so many points. I was able to redeem the points for this product. So yeah, that was amazing. So you do get a lot of points when you shop with TEAMI. So I will be leaving my referral link in my description below so that you guys can enjoy some of the rewards that I enjoy as well. So yeah, that was it for this video. That about sums up this video. This is my 2nd time repurchasing protein powders, and of course trying some new products from them, and I can't wait to review this for you guys. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell, yeah, and turn on your notifications so that you can see when your girl posts a video. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, see you guys. Bye.